Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. So for this project I have used milk cotton 4-ply yarn. You can use any color you want or any yarn you want, and for this project I have used 3 mm crochet hook and also we need scissor. So hope you will like it. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more new videos. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Then make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. First make 3 chain. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the center. Now make 2 chain. Make 2 double crochet together in the center. 1 and 2. Now pull the yarn all through these loops. Make 2 chain. Make 2 double crochet together in the center. 1 and 2. Now pull the yarn all through these loops. Make 2 chain. So let's see the pattern again. Make 2 double crochet together in the center. 1 and 2. Now pull the yarn all through these loops. Make 2 chain. So continue more 4 times. So here I have completed the first round. So here I have got total 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now in the last make 2 chain and slip stitch in this top of chain. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now take another yarn, give a slip knot. Now insert the yarn in any 2 chain space. Now work for round 2. So first make 3 chain. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Then make more 4 double crochet in this same chain space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now pull the loop, insert hook in this top of chain, in this top of chain which count as double crochet. Then pull this loop through it. So this is the first popcorn stitch. Make 3 chain. Now make the second popcorn stitch. So make 5 double crochet in next chain space. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now pull the loop, insert hook in this first double crochet, then pull this loop through
Then
it,
pull the loop through
make 3
it
chain.
and make 3 chain.
So let's
So
see how
continue
to
up
make the
to
popcorn
end.
stitch. Make 5 double crochet in next chain space. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now pull the loop, insert hook in this first double crochet stitch, so here I have completed all the popcorn stitch. Now in the last, make 3 chain and slip stitch in this back side of first popcorn stitch. So now work for round 3. So slip stitch in this next chain space, then make 2 chain. Now make the petal, so make 5 double crochet in this same chain space. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make 2 chain, make slip stitch in this same chain space. So this is the first petal made. Then make the second petal. So slip stitch in this next chain space, make 2 chain, then make 5 double crochet in same chain space. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make 2 chain, then make slip stitch in the same chain space. So let's see the pattern again. So make the third petal, so slip stitch in this next chain space, then make 2 chain, make 5 double crochet in same chain space. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then make 2 chain and slip stitch in same chain space. So this way make all the petals. So here I have completed all the rounds. So now in the last, make 2 chain and slip stitch in this same chain space. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. You can secure this yarn with needle, or you can give a knot like this. Now cut all the extra yarn. So this is the flower. Thanks for watching.